What I want to do today is discuss with you some challenges that we are currently facing in tax dispute resolution. The actual dispute resolution process can sometimes take up to 2, 3, maybe even 4 years to finalize. We had an auditor come and see us recently about a dispute resolution that's been pending since 2012. So that's 6 years now. But it's a section that allows SARS to effectively issue an emolument attachment order or a garnishee order, if you want, against your client's bank account without issuing summons, without getting judgment, and without his knowledge. Now, they can issue this to the bank, they can issue this to your client's customers. If your client's an individual, they can issue it to the employer, and your client doesn't even know until the money's out of his account. This happens on a daily basis. You can't object to this. You can't appeal to this. You can't refer this to the tax board. You can't refer it to the tax court. So what do? So there's a procedure in 1795. And it says before you issue a garnishee order against any of my financial assets, you have to give me an opportunity to consider my rights. But they don't comply with 1795. So what needs to happen is you need to enforce that remedy by bringing your High Court application immediately and getting, in our case, 1.2 million rand back, which if you don't do within the next week or two, the client's going to have to close his doors. How can you adequately protect your client's rights if you did not know about that remedy? It's impossible. Will your client have 20 grand, 50 grand, maybe 100 grand to pay for the legal fees and accounting fees that go with that? Probably not, because they just took 1.2 million rand from his account. This is, for me, a typical example. There's nothing in it for me to punt a product like, for example, tax risk. But this is a typical example for me where it becomes a no-brainer. Where a taxpayer pays 200 rand a month or 600 rand a month, depending on the threshold, Willem, or 1,000 rand a month, and in a situation like this, you have attorneys, and whether it's us, whether it's someone else, it doesn't matter. You have tax attorneys and accountants on beck and call to launch an application of this nature and protect the taxpayers' rights.